Hello, 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 Stephen Mantis here, ladies and gentlemen, getting ready to watch a fantastic Great North Wrestling contest between Commander Rick Sniper of the Canadian military and Platinum Preston Perry of the United States of America, who appears to be making his way out to the ring right now, and he appears to have a microphone as he's asking for the Canadian national anthem to be stopped, which is quite rude to the people of Canada.
That I have to waste my time in this poor excuse of what you people call a town.
Some nasty remarks here by Platinum Preston Perry.
I have to come to this pathetic thing that you guys call the nation of Canada.
Some deep insults here to the nation of Canada by Platinum Preston Perry,
Listen to this garbage. This
calling the Canadian national anthem garbage now, referring to the country as garbage. The fans are not happy about this, a resounding chorus of boos here. And now his national anthem is playing the American national anthem, and it appears that none of these fans that I can see are standing on their feet here tonight. These fans are decisively behind Commander Rick Sniper, who appears to be representing Canada here tonight in this contest against Platinum Preston Perry. And here comes the bell. Sniper going for a quick pin here right now. That's not going to be enough. Platinum Preston Perry looks to be in great shape here tonight. He looks like he's been doing some powerlifting, saying he wasn't ready, saying Commander Rick Sniper took him by surprise, but this is pro wrestling. You have to be ready at all times because you never know what's going to happen. Perry with some snide remarks to the crowd now. He has wrestled in this town before. He's been very successful here, but he's doing a lot of trash talking right now, and he should be focusing on the match. Rick Sniper's always in fantastic shape, always trains hard both in the gym and in his job. He is a legitimate member of the Canadian military. He lives in Kingston, Ontario, which is not too far where he's wrestling here tonight in Smith Falls, Ontario. Platinum Preston Perry trying to get a USA chant going here, to the absolute dismay of the crowd. They are not liking this. There may in fact be a riot here tonight if he continues this with the USA chants, because this is a decisively pro-Canada crowd here tonight. Platinum Preston Perry certainly making a name for himself. Recently he tried out for Jeff Jarrett's Global Force Wrestling in Windsor, Ontario, and he also has a talent evaluation with the World Wrestling Entertainment Company coming up at one of the Raw and SmackDown shows in 2014. But he's going to have to be a little bit more polite to WWE if he wants a job with them than he is being here tonight to the crowd, because the crowd is not liking him whatsoever. He is chauvinistic, he is showboating, and if he doesn't focus on the match, he might just lose tonight here, because Rick Sniper's been around a long time. He's a wily veteran of this sport, and he did not come here tonight to lose. He came to win, and it would be a great victory for him to beat Platinum Preston Perry here tonight and make his way up in the Great North Wrestling rankings. For anyone that has been following the Great North Wrestling TV episodes here on this YouTube channel, Nicholson Productions, check it out if you haven't. We have been uploading past episodes of Great North Wrestling TV, and many of those episodes feature Rick Sniper's training camp back when he was in a tag team with Dave Titan, one of his old tag team partners, and they are very, very entertaining segments. However, Dave Titan didn't quite make it in the training camp, and Commander Rick Sniper ended up ditching him in the end. But it was a good try nevertheless. You can't win them all, and obviously that was a lost case with Titan, but Rick Sniper showing a lot of energy here tonight, a lot of fire, and Platinum Preston Perry is taking a licking right here tonight. Commander Sniper really going to work on Platinum Preston Perry right now, and Perry is going to the outside for a break. This may have been a smart move by Perry, breaking the momentum of Commander Sniper, really trying to slow down the pace here tonight. Now it appears he's trying to shake the hand of Rick Sniper. Is Commander Sniper going to accept the challenge of the handshake? I don't know, the fans are certainly saying no. Sniper, a very trusting person, he's going, no, he shouldn't have trusted him. Platinum Preston Perry just leveling Commander Rick Sniper now. There is a big chop in the corner to Rick Sniper. A lot of showboating to the crowd still by Preston Perry. And a big chop right back by Commander Rick Sniper. And now it is Preston Perry who is suffering the tremendous pain in the chest area. There's another big chop. You can look at the expression of pain on the face of Preston Perry, and you can hear that slap way at this end of the arena where I'm sitting. I mean, that is a loud chop, very painful sounding indeed. Near fall by Commander Rick Sniper almost finishes Platinum Preston Perry off. The crowd is absolutely loving it, they're eating it up, they're cheering for Canada right now. And what a great representative Canada has in Commander Sniper. Polite, in great shape, friendly, hard work, and he certainly knows how to wrestle. Could this be the end of it for Rick Sniper? No, not quite. Rick could not finish off Platinum Preston Perry, but he has certainly had a couple of near falls here. He's just got to finish him off. We need to see a big move here. Sniper just unloading the chops, holding a lot of animosity against Platinum Preston Perry for cutting off the Canadian national anthem earlier tonight. Huge mistake by Rick Sniper. Goes shoulder first right into that steel post. That's unforgiving and that's bone-shattering steel, and that may be the biggest mistake Commander Rick Sniper has made thus far in tonight's match. And of course Platinum Preston Perry has been trained very well. He's capitalizing on this right now. Preston Perry trained by Great North Wrestling superstar The Bruiser originally, and he has really grown since his beginnings. He's been getting a lot of experience all across Ontario and even in parts of Quebec. Of course in his homeland of the United States of America, becoming more and more known. Now he's working away on that shoulder, wrenching away at that shoulder, and that's exactly what he has to do. He has to work on that body part, try and get Commander Sniper to submit, although it will take a lot to make that man submit. That man is double tough. He's not going to give up easy. He's been overseas. He's not been known to give up at all. I can't remember ever seeing him give up in a match. He's a very tough man. Platinum Preston Perry has a reversal for everything. Commander Sniper suffering tremendously right now, and it's going to be a pinfall attempt now. Sniper just being punished here. There should be more pinfall attempts here by Platinum Preston Perry, but he's working away on that shoulder. Of course, both of these men are going to be at the next Great North Wrestling event, August the 30th in Hawkesbury, Ontario, featuring the phenomenal AJ Styles taking on the apocalyptic nightmare Hannibal the Animal for the Great North Wrestling Canadian Heavyweight Championship in a 2 out of 3 falls match in the main event. As we hear the crowd cheering for Canada right now. Tickets are on sale now at ticketweb.ca for that August 30th Great North Wrestling event in Hawkesbury, Ontario, which is located halfway between Ottawa and Montreal, and it is well worth the drive. A near fall there by Platinum Preston Perry, who appears to be getting frustrated right now. Both of these men will be involved in the big 20-man over-the-top rope battle royal on August 30th in Hawkesbury, and that will be a big, huge battle royal for men like these, because if you could win that, they may get a shot at the title in the future. That is a huge battle royal. The 7-foot-tall Darko will be in that battle royal. Former champion Jeremy Prophet, the silver-tongued sex symbol himself, Sexy Eddie's going to be there. It will be a phenomenal match, to say the least. The ring is going to be rocking and rolling, and it's going to be a great night of action in Hawkesbury. Also on the card, the lovely Melina takes on Sylvie Silver in a women's bout, as we see another near fall, this time by Platinum Preston Perry. You can tell Perry has been in the gym lately. He's known to be a ladies' man, but he's really been bulking up, doing a lot of powerlifting, a lot of heavy squatting, and it's paying off in this match here tonight. He's clearly the more powerful of the two wrestlers, and he's doing a great job of working on that arm, working on that shoulder of Rick Sniper. It's obvious that Rick Sniper may actually be having to take some time off of his full-time job after this, with all the punishment he's been taking to but he still has some fight left in him. He's not ready to give up yet. Sniper just blasting away at Perry, throws him off against the ropes, sends him flying down. Rick Sniper letting all that aggression out now. Platinum Preston Perry just flying around the ring, just like a rag doll. And the crowd is cheering for Canada still. They're right into this match. They want to see Rick Sniper. And a near fall there by Sniper. There's been so many near falls in this match. It's a very, very close match. Either man could take it at any time. Both men seem to be tired at this point. It's been a long physical match, and only time will tell who will be victorious, but they're going to be nearing the time limit soon. So hopefully one of them will kick it up a notch, and one of them will take the victory. Of course, Platinum Preston Perry has wrestled some big stars in the wrestling business, such as Lanny Poffo. He's had some experience in the ring with some true veterans of the sport. He's been in the ring with the Honky Tonk Man. But it appears that's not helping him tonight as he goes flying down to the canvas. This could be it right here, too. No, not quite. Platinum Preston Perry manages to just barely get out of that near fall by Commander Rick Sniper. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a close bout, one of the closest bouts I have ever had the pleasure of witnessing. Both of these men want the victories. They want to climb the rankings. They want that prestigious Canadian heavyweight title, and they know the only way to get there is to fight their way to the top of the Great North Wrestling rankings. The crowd very much into this match. Both men feeding off of the crowd. They've been wild here tonight, all night. It's been a fantastic night of action here, as it always is with Great North Wrestling. You do not want to miss Great North Wrestling if they come to your area. Just a phenomenal, exciting product. And these men are nearing the time limit. One of them's got to pick it up before this time limit expires and it becomes a draw. Sniper working away on Preston Perry in the corner, just laying a tremendous beating on him. Whips him into the turnbuckle hard, but it backfires on Commander Sniper. Platinum Preston Perry just got the 3 count. I believe he had his foot on the ropes, but the referee did not see it. We're going to have to wait to get the official word on this, but I believe Preston Perry has won the match.